often experience body pain or have issues with swelling in your legs and fingers. Have you ever stopped to think that this could be related to your diet? Let's talk about foods that may be causing you bloating and pain, and perhaps you haven't even realized it. We often say that we are what we eat, or more specifically, what we can absorb from the food we consume. Eating without absorbing nutrients brings no benefit to the body. Some people believe that food doesn't have much of an impact on health, but a Carolina Reaper pepper can make you sweat and feel hot almost instantly, showing that what we consume definitely affects our bodies. Foods can cause pain and swelling. Do you know someone who suffers from these symptoms and has never thought the cause might be there? Diet, share this video, as I'm going to list some foods that could be the culprits. By reducing the intake of processed foods, you could greatly improve your quality of life. I often talk about foods that inflame the body and have even developed an anti-inflammatory diet. Because of this, inflammatory foods not only cause pain and swelling, but also other health problems. And of course, some foods cause these effects more commonly than others, varying from person to person. When we talk about food allergies, the body reacts quickly to certain proteins, causing severe symptoms like swelling and difficulty breathing. However, there are subtler, ongoing inflammations that affect health over time. Chronic inflammation is one of the major causes of degenerative diseases often associated with aging, but which, in reality, are consequences of years of inflammation. Just as there are foods that help fight oxidative stress, such as antioxidants, there are others that trigger this stress, increasing the production of free radicals and sparking inflammation. It's important to avoid these inflammatory foods and prioritize those with anti-inflammatory properties. Now, I'll list 6 foods that may be causing you inflammation, pain, and swelling. First culprit is refined sugar. Although sugarcane is rich in nutrients and fiber, refined sugar after industrial processing loses all these qualities, becoming just empty calories. Processed foods are full of hidden sugars. Even in savory items like ready-made sauces and biscuits, sugar creates an addiction, causing blood glucose spikes that increase hunger shortly after consumption. In addition to sugar, refined carbohydrates also cause inflammation. Foods rich in simple carbohydrates, which go through many industrial processes, are quickly converted into sugar in the body, causing glycemic spikes that lead to bloating and pain. Opt for complex carbohydrates, rich in fiber and nutrients, which are digested more slowly. Another big problem is salt. Sodium, present in many processed foods, is linked to vascular diseases such as hypertension and atherosclerosis. Excessive salt intake can cause fluid retention, swelling, and inflammation. The solution: avoid industrialized foods and prepare more meals at home using herbs and natural spices to replace salt. Gluten is another factor that can cause inflammation in some people, especially those with sensitivity or celiac disease. Even people without celiac disease may experience intestinal inflammation caused by gluten, leading to chronic health problems. Alcohol is also an inflammatory agent. It irritates the digestive tract and is metabolized by the body as empty calories with no nutritional value. Alcohol, in addition to being a toxic substance, can worsen inflammation and cause swelling. Finally, soft drinks, whether regular, diet, or zero, contain chemicals that can alter gut flora and cause chronic inflammation. These products are associated with diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and hypertension. The best alternative: drink water, a healthy and natural option. Remember that small changes in your diet can have a big impact on your health. If you're experiencing these symptoms, I'll leave a link below to help you resolve this issue.